Welcome to a journey of flavors, where we delve into the heart of Chinese cuisine with a classic, authentic Chinese fried rice. Originating from the vibrant and diverse culinary landscape of China, this dish has transcended borders and won hearts globally, becoming a staple in almost every Chinese restaurant around the world. What makes this dish so universally loved? It's the beautiful harmony of simple ingredients coming together to create a symphony of flavors. The beauty of authentic Chinese fried rice lies in its versatility. Whether it's the crunch of fresh vegetables, the richness of eggs, or the comforting familiarity of rice, each component can be tweaked to your preference. Add a dash of soy sauce, a sprinkle of pepper, or a drizzle of sesame oil, and you have a dish that's uniquely yours, yet authentically Chinese. Ready to awaken your taste buds? Brace yourself for the simplicity and versatility of this delicious dish. First things first, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of cooked long-grain white rice. Day-old rice is perfect for that ideal texture. 2 tablespoons of oil, preferably peanut or vegetable, 2 lightly beaten eggs, minced garlic, a finely chopped small onion, a cup of mixed vegetables. Feel free to choose your favorites. You'll also need 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, salt and pepper to taste, and some chopped green onions for garnish. Remember, the best dishes start with the best ingredients. With ingredients in hand, it's time to turn up the heat. The first step in making authentic Chinese fried rice is preparing the rice. For the best results, use cooked long-grain white rice that has been cooled, preferably a day old. This type of rice is drier and less likely to clump together. Next, heat up a wok or a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add about a tablespoon of oil and swirl it around to coat the bottom and sides. Peanut or vegetable oil works best for this. Now, it's time for the eggs. Pour the lightly beaten eggs into the hot wok. Let them cook undisturbed for a few seconds until they begin to set. Then, gently scramble them until they're cooked through but still slightly moist. Once done, remove the scrambled eggs from the wok and set them aside. Moving on to the vegetables. Add another tablespoon of oil to the wok if needed. Stir in the minced garlic and finely chopped onion. Let them fry for about 1 to 2 minutes until they become fragrant and the onions turn translucent. Next, add your choice of mixed vegetables to the wok. Think diced carrots, peas, and corn. Stir-fry these for another 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender but still maintain their crispy texture. Now comes the star of the show, the rice. Add it to the wok and break up any clumps with a spatula. Stir-fry this for a few minutes until the rice is heated through and starting to turn slightly golden. For the seasonings, drizzle soy sauce over the rice and toss to combine. If you like, add a teaspoon of sesame oil for extra flavor. Season with salt and pepper to taste and stir-fry for another minute or 2 until everything is well combined. Finally, return the scrambled eggs to the wok. Toss everything together until the eggs are evenly distributed throughout the rice. And there you have it, a sizzling hot serving of authentic Chinese fried rice right from your kitchen. Now that wasn't too hard, was it? With just a handful of ingredients and a few simple steps, you've mastered the art of making authentic Chinese fried rice. Remember, this versatile dish allows for creativity. Feel free to adjust the ingredients and seasonings according to your taste. Maybe add a little extra garlic, or perhaps some spicy peppers for a kick. So go ahead, give this authentic Chinese fried rice recipe a try, and bring a slice of Chinese cuisine right to your dining table. Until next time, happy cooking!